What does it take to get a job in cement masonry? It takes understanding concrete. My name is Joseph Bai. I'm studying cement masonry.
I explained to him it's alive. Concrete's alive. Now you understand that it's going to expand. We know that, right? And it's going to shrink.
They teach us the basics on how to form up concrete, the setup, form walls, stairs, curbs. It's all about skills. We patch, you learn how to use a float, trowel, and your mixer. One skill builds on another. At Job Corps, they teach you those skills. You can get a job in doing flooring, driveways, and highways. You can even build a dam or a road.
Okay? All right, thanks, Chief. Every single day, you succeed because you see what you did.
I can't see myself doing really anything else. It just makes me excited for the future. It starts by understanding concrete and it forms into a great career.